So good day guys, welcome back to this channel. Let's take a look at natural gas. But before that, if you are yet to subscribe, you have not subscribed, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like and share. So above all, our analysis for today was actually correct, right? We talked about having a bearish move on natural gas for today. Market opened here and it opened at a level of 4.413. Now market is currently trading at 4.042, right? By the time maybe when you check it, it would have moved away by the way. So it just depends on when you are watching it. If you are watching it early, then fine. Above all, price has given us that bearish move that we are all expecting, right? Now we would want to know where this price will be moving for the next day, right? In order to be able to predict that, first of all, let's see the trend for this movement. So simple is that it is a downtrend move. We all know that market is giving us a three movement. It's either is giving us an uptrend move or a downtrend move or a ranging market move. That is the three movements market will give us. So what we are having on natural gas is actually a downtrend move. That is technically, and when you also take a look at it, how the moving average, which is the 10 period simple moving average, price is also trading below it. So since price is still trading below this 10 period simple moving average, then definitely all we would want to do is to go ahead, and sell on this natural gas. So since price is trading below it, then we have no option than to go ahead and sell. Now we can see price has now broken to a level that I talked about, that we're very much likely to have a pullback, which is this level, right? I highlighted this level. I told you guys that we're very much likely to have a pullback at this level, but guess what? Price did not give us that pullback. We broke out of it. This line level here. So this level that I've highlighted down here, so I told you guys that there's every possibility price will give us a pullback, then break below it. That is what we talked about. Price did not give us a pullback that at this level, but price give us a drop that we are all expecting. Now we can see that we will be expecting more for that drop. So this price is currently trading at 4.042. I would want to see this price drop to a level of 3.8, right? I should be watching out for a level of 3.8. Will I say 822, 800? I don't know. It's up to you. But let's watch out for a level of 3.8, or let's say 3.810 on this natural gas. So currently we are trading at 4.042. Let us say it get to a level of 3.0 and 3.810 for the next day. So above all, natural gas should still give us a drop the next day, which is for the fourth, right? And when we take a look at this movement, we can see that there is a drop and a lower highs, lower lows. Maybe if you want to go ahead and sell, I think you should wait for a pullback, right? So if you take a look at movements like this, when we had a drop on the forward time frame, a pullback was made before another drop came in to play. A pullback was made here, then another drop came into play, right? A pullback was made, and guess what? We see that this pullback we're hitting our moving average before we have that rejection. Now this price has dropped. I think maybe if you are patient enough for a pullback to be made before you go ahead and sell. One thing I know for sure is the next day, which is for the 4th of natural gas, we expect it to actually open and close, open and close bearish. So because we are still on a bearish, so let's still watch out for a red movement.